So today we are at Airbnb in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. This is a Terra Royal property, which is a 3 BHK. This is the room 1 we are showing to you. You can collect the keys of the apartment from the mailbox. There will be a WhatsApp message for you. This is the washing area. Next we'll show you the kitchen. Remember, do not forget the keys of your apartment. Duplicate keys are really costly. This is the hob, microwave, and you get some basic cutlery along with it. Next we'll show you what you can get in toiletries. So this is the basic toiletries. So this is a 3 BHK. Only one room has a washroom which is inside the room. Otherwise, all the next 2 washrooms are outside the rooms. The property overall was very clean and location was perfect according to us. Located within the city. As you can see, the outside balcony. Hospitality wise, the place was good. We had no complaints as such. This is the second room. Next we'll show you the third and the final room. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe the channel.